Shops owners directed for compulsory COVID-19 tests. "65 APHLC members join ASDC in Dongmukak." Hello viewers, good morning and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. You're with Julie Baby with the latest news for today. Now let's look into the news in detail. The Deputy Commissioner of Karbi Anglong had on Tuesday issued a notice directing all owners of shop establishment for compulsory RT-PCR tests for COVID-19. This order has come keeping in view the rapid increase in the number of COVID-19 cases in the district, especially in urban and suburban areas. As per under Section 34H of the Disaster Management Act 2005 and under Section 34 of the Assam COVID-19 Containment Regulation 2020 and also under Section 14 of the Assam COVID-19 Regulation 2020, direct all the trade license holders, owners of shops, business establishment, etc. should undergo an RT-PCR test for COVID-19, and if they are found negative in the test, they should have RAT test for COVID-19 every 14 days to run the shop establishment, and must have the test result readily available with them in his shop or establishment. The Diphu Municipal Board have welcomed the idea and has issued a notice directed all shop owners within its jurisdiction to do the test and display the result in their shop. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live. Fed up with continued indifference of government and local authority, villagers of Dathora and adjoining areas constructed a bamboo bridge over Diflo River at Pelangkiram Ghat. The lack of basic needs in the area, which falls under Dolamara Police Station of the Dwarbaguri constituency, speaks for itself, the magnitude of its backwardness due to the neglect of the government. Even after completing 69 years, the Autonomous Council have not been able to provide road connectivity, construct bridges, medical centers and other basic facilities to a huge parts of the district. And there are more than 8 villages across the Diflo River which has been totally deprived of all these basic needs. The tales of their hardships and sufferings due to lack of these basic needs cannot be told in a very brief time. Residents of these villages have to cross the Diflo River 8 times at different locations. PWD department doesn't mean anything for the villages, as the people of the area continues to get no attention from the council or government, except for leaders who visits them once every 5 years to seek their votes in promise of development, which of course never delivered or fulfilled. And tired of the lack of response to the multiple pleadings for these basic facilities, the villagers of Dathora and adjoining areas constructed the bamboo bridge and cleared overgrowths and bushes along the PWD link route, which connects Dathora, Upper Dathora, Sarbe Kro, Dipluso, Rong RA, among others. And like-minded villagers contribute materials among themselves needed for construction of the bridge.
La sobang adelong bang galage sarkar pen thanga kerapta vi la dar mili tumar lok dan thura lok te the ki dinga tin ten tin vai se rom si tin vai se la ki dam ge bang siksa ong pula bang tu ching vai pen tin plan on
acha la pinian ta thanga kerapta vi di sarkar pen
pinian ta thanga kerapta penang la
Arjun Sondongpar from Dolamara reporting for Karbi Anglong Live. As the ASDC gears up to strengthen the party, altogether 65 APHLC members on Wednesday joined regional party ASDC in Dokmoka today. More from our correspondent. Several members of the All Party Hills Leaders Conference who lost their confidence on their party joined the Autonomous State Demand Committee and was inducted into their party during a meeting held at Jor Teron village inside Dongmukak. They were given warm welcome in the meeting, which was presided over by ASDC Bokajan District Committee President Kesop Terang and assisted by BDC General Secretary Baburam Tokbi and was attended by ASDC Central Committee President Chandrakanta Terang, General Secretary Jodson Bay, Finance Secretary Sanjoy Killing, Secretary in Charge Minority BDC Samuel Ronghang, ex-MLA Hemsing Tiso, Member Khorsing Ingti, Dhoniram Tiso and several others. Newly joined ASDC members told reporters that they have no confidence in APHLC and have decided to strengthen regional party ASDC in order to stand up for the people of the Hill District.
APHLC All Party Hills Leader Conference Akorte tum ASDC along nangchingbe du pen klem rab nang pu militum ASDC hin pen ke Japon atowar akimang akimethek long pensi along litum nang gidur mate klem rab nang pula bang so bang ke ni litum ASDC Central Committee hin pen ang tu pen yak long pen di bonlo la pen ning thelo emprek gutang te lapang ke ini bani kali karpeng long arat si ceban ini lapen rada jak kong pen mentune picketing mentune armuching room nason pen si sorkar pan isi hesa proyek kora pun presar gitu naso pen si tobar hindi ta menang handbom lo na sining te par nang linang karju non APS si temang ko ana jak dimponan tum Japon inji laso garanti ni lipite ke BJP pulte hindutto lalu mati kita ASDC ke Japon bangke pini itu melasa ideologi bangke la bangke mitang ke cingkon mitang ke cari la so jakong la so fansi ke mangpo
Sam Singing Tea from Dongmuka, Karbi Anglong Live. In a notable success for the security agency, the Bokajan police seized 88 grams of heroin from a person on their Khatkati police station on Tuesday. According to the police, the narcotic substances was seized from a person identified as Abdul Jalil Ali, son of MD Kudus Raj Ali, a resident of Kachua, Nagaon district, during a raid led by Bokajan SDPO and accompanied by OC Khatkati and IC Borpatar. The operation was immediately launched after receiving a tip of about illegal business that has been running in the areas for a long time. According to the police, seized heroin is worth around rupees 3.2 lakhs in the market. It may be mentioned that Khatkati and adjoining areas bordering Nagaland is a safe haven for many illegal business and activities for many drug peddlers and smugglers, and police have often been able to lay hand on them. Anandirang reporting from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live. Well, that is all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.